So I have received my headphones, free headphones with Sony Xperia 5 Mark II, and yeah, I know the condition of these are already bad. Yeah, I've been using these headphones from last a week now, and I have to say they are very good and very powerful. And if they have said it's extra bass, I would say it is extra bass, but it's not that much clear as compared to Audio Technica. These are studio quality headphone, but they are wired. For wired, they are very good, and I've been using this from last 4 years. As you can see, the condition of these are not that much good. So the look and feel is great. They're very lightweight and feel very sturdy also, and fits very good on your ear. These are noise cancelling headphones, and I have to say the quality and overall experience is good. So these headphones NFC enabled if you want to pair with the app. Just to let you know about the app has to be there in order to use these headphones. You can use it with iPhone, iPad and any other Android phones, but you wouldn't be able to pair it without any app. So you have to have app, and it basically gives you functionality also. Let me show you the app really quickly. And connecting to the app is just basically very simple. So this is the app which called Headphone Connect. So it connects with the headphone very quickly. So I'll show you right now. Right now you can't see anything connected here, and the minute I'm going to turn it on from here, this button, and Bluetooth is on and is going to get connected in any second. So here you go. So now they are connected. It takes maybe 2 or 3 seconds, and they are quite fast. These headphones have Bluetooth 4.0. I'm not sure why they've given 4.0, but they should have given at least 5.0 in this 2020 era. But I didn't feel any problem in connectivity at all. I live in 2-story 3-bedroom house, and I've used it in every corner of my house without the phone connecting by Bluetooth 4.0. I've used 5.0 Bluetooth also in AirPods and other Android earbuds and all. They do give some issues in some corners of my house, but this headphone do not give me any issues, even though this have only 4.0 Bluetooth. Nevertheless, I'm quite happy with these headphones. The audio quality is great, and it does support a lot of audio files and extensions. Using it very simple. You have to have an app, and this is the button which you can customize within the app. You choose it to turn on and off ambient sound, which is noise cancellation. So if you go here, and it's going to connect in second. So now it's connected. So if you go to system, and here's the option for this button. So I've chosen as Google Assistant, but you can choose as Amazon Alexa, or if you're using iPhone, then you will see Siri also here. You can choose it at ambient sound. So press the button, it'll turn off and on, but you don't have to do it, because if you want to hear somebody, just tap it here, and it's basically reduce the volume, and you will be able to hear everything if anyone is talking to you, and it works very fast. So I'm gonna play a music. You can maybe, so this will be Punjabi music, and this has very good bass. So yeah, coming on these buttons, these are touch sensitive buttons. So if you basically slide forward, the song will change. If you go back like this, it go back to this song, and double tap is just a previous song. Double tap for pause, double tap for play. And if you go forward like this, you can raise the volume like this. One thing I've noticed, then if you go a little bit up, you can continuously turn the volume up like this if you stay here. It's not working at the moment, of course, but yeah, if you slide like this, it'll go up, and like this, it will go down. I've tested the call quality also, which is actually very nice. I've asked my wife how it sound, and it's just very normal, just the way you're talking on the phone. Call quality on the phone itself is great, and is exactly the same if you're using headphones. The best thing I would say about this headphones is battery life. Battery life, the Sony claims it for 30 hours, but I guess it's more than that. I've used maybe for 40 hours also. So these are XB900N, and very good value for money. Sony says this headphone is 269 euros, but obviously they have raised the price. I'm not sure why, because of VAT or something on their website, but the actual price for these headphones is 119 pounds, which makes it maybe around 130 euros. You can use these headphones with the wired connection also, which the wire comes with that, and you can charge it through USB type C. So if you go to sound, you can change a lot of settings. You can change the setting, you can choose arena, club, and other settings from here, and you can play around with equalizer also, which I haven't touched it because I'm so far happy with the default sound. So if I play this, so imagine someone wants to talk to me, so I just need to put a hand here, and it's just going to turn the volume down, and I can hear everything, and noise cancellation will be down also. So as you can see, it's worked very fast, and it's great. So in a whole week I've charged it only once, and battery is showing up there 50%, and believe me, it lasts very long time. I'm still gonna be using my Audio Technica for my laptop, because unfortunately you wouldn't be able to connect these headphones with your laptop. You might be able to connect it with your MacBook, but you have to improvise a little bit here and there. But yeah, these are specifically for the mobile devices, and works great, feels great, and if you're getting it for free, then yeah, why not get it one. So as I said in my last video, I got this phone on contract, and the campaign was for the free headphones, and I received it within a month. You have to claim the headphones on the Sony website. Just put in your serial number and all, and just fill up the form, and it should be all done. Let me know if you have received this headphone also, and if you're happy with it, if you're going to keep it or going to sell it, or what do you want to do with that. Quite happy with that, and do let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer all the questions. So that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.